What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamentals of this company and with the major news that might drive the price of this stock. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this ticker. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose a free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, I made my previous video somewhere at this point and I've told you that we had bullish divergence. Let me show it to you on 4 hours time frame. And bullish divergence means that when we have higher lows on RSI and the lower lows on the price action. This means we might have a retracement, and basically I've told you that from this point where when I made my previous video, we might have a bounce back, and this bounce happened for more than 13%. And right after that we hit the 55 exponential moving average, and from this point it acts as a resistance, and we went down from this point, and for now we are hovering right above this previous low. And I have to say that we might hit our next support line, and it is the previous pivot point, and it is at the level of around $14.25. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. We are on Seeking Alpha, and let's start with the company profile. SOFI Technologies provides digital financial services. The company operates through 3 reportable segments: lending, financial services, and technology platform. Its financial services allow its members to borrow, save, spend, invest, and protect their money. The company offers student loans, personal loans for debt consolidation and home improvement projects, and home loans. So let me show you that they have a bunch of products and they have all in one, and we are on their desktop application, but they also have a mobile application that allows you to do everything you need with your money from one application, and it is extremely convenient, and it is extremely useful for majority of people who are at the age from 16 to 40 years old and even older. So let's continue with their numbers. For now, their total market cap is $12.48 billion. They have a revenue of $565.53 million with a negative net income of $224.05 million. They have a revenue growth of 27.76%, and they have a very strong cash position of $872.58 million. They have a total debt of $5.07 billion. And their current ratio and quick ratio are very good, and they are 9.51 and 8.82 respectively. So from the financial standpoint, this company is rather stable. They have enough cash to operate for several years, and this negative net income shows only that they reinvest the majority of their money into their growth, and they have a revenue growth of 27.76%. And let me show you that, as I already mentioned in my previous video, they have a very good growth of their company. On their investor presentation you can find this information. They have 7 consecutive quarters of accelerating year-over-year growth of their members, and for now they have 2.2 million members. And they have the same picture across their products and Galileo accounts, and I have to say that they just acquired the Galileo company that allows people to process their payments using their credit cards, and this branch has also mind-blowing growth of 130%. So, and let me show you this article. We are on Motley Fool, and this article was published on July 26th, and it's titled 3 reasons to buy the dip on SOFI. And the key points are: SOFI has an app that lets users to manage all of their finances in one place. The company is rapidly growing and has a lot of opportunities in the banking industry. If SOFI continues to execute, the stock could prove to be a bargain at today's price. And I completely agree with this article, and right here you can find their mind-blowing numbers of growth. And I have to say that their main point is student loans for now, and they have about 45% of new contracts with the people who borrow money for the student loans. And in my opinion, it is very good long-term catalyst, because if you have an app where you can do all of your finances and when you can manage all of your money, you never switch to another app. And on top of that, compared to ordinary banks, they have very low customer acquisition cost. Let me show you that on average, a traditional bank pays between $1,500 to $2,000 to acquire a retail banking customer. In comparison, SOFI pays just $40 on average due to its digital presence and ability to cross-sell products to users from within its app. And I have to say that it is extremely important that they have such a low customer acquisition cost, because in the long run they have one customer for the price of $40, and they can give them majority of financial products, and each and every product right here has its own margin, and that's why this company in the long run will be profitable. And I have to say that they have a projection that this company will be profitable in a matter of a couple of years. So, and right here we have a negative article, and it's titled "SOFI is a fundamentally weak ticking time bomb." And the main point of this article that they have very weak financials because they don't have profits during last several years. And in my opinion, it is nothing close to the real position of this company, because this company reinvests their money in order to expand their presence on different type of markets and on broader audience basically. And let me show you their institutional investors. As you can see, green rows indicate new positions and red rows indicate closed positions. And we have several red rows, and I have to say that these positions are not so significant. This one is only $1,000 in value, this one about $17,000 in value, and this about $2,000 in value. And we have a bunch of green rows, and these lines indicate that we have bullish sentiment across the institutional investors. And in my opinion, it is a very good sign for this company. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you can see, we have this bounce to the upside of more than 13%, and for now we are basically at the same level than we were on July 19th. We are just barely hovering above this level, and in my opinion we might hit our major support, that is at the level of $14.21, and from this point, in a bullish case, or in a bearish case from the point of around $13 mark, we might have a trend reversal. And I'm pretty sure that this company will be successful, and it is only a matter of time. And that's why you can rely on this ticker as a potential long-term investment in your portfolio. So, what to expect next? In my opinion, we might have this price action to the downside, and we have about 12% to our lowest support line and not more than 5% to our first support line. And you can ladder your buys down in order to achieve more attractive average price. And in this case, your next potential target might be at this top. It is a $25.34 mark and all-time highs at $28.05. But first of all, we have to establish higher highs and higher lows, and only in this case we will officially establish first of all an uptrend on a smaller time frame, and then we will establish the same trend on a greater scale. So, from the technical standpoint, I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next one. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!